Hey, this will be a video chart on EXTO. I made the comment last time I did this that this was one of the best looking penny charts in all of Pennyland, and it continues to hold the trend and look exactly that way. If you can find a penny chart that's got this sort of trend, please send it my way because I'd be interested in trying to accumulate some shares on it. But this thing has been a beast, and like I did in the last video, when you shrink it up even more, you can see that this move here that we're currently in is just the result of this falling wedge pattern that broke out or that formed over about 3 months, and now we're seeing the breakout results of it. So the chart's actually in even a longer term trend than just this trend, excuse me. So it's been a very nice, really past year for this one, and after this week, it's just continued to put in higher highs. The last time I did the video, the chart looked like this, and then the next day you can see that the price dropped down. You can also see that volume decreased, which is exactly what you'd want to see during a consolidation period. Started to put in some green there, less volume, so still just some consolidation. Then you can see there, price kicked back up, volume kicked back up. This is all textbook stuff. And then today, put in higher highs. Not quite as much volume, but besides that, this thing's really been a textbook chart. So this video is going to be real quick, not really too much to update other than, the trend remains intact. But the thing that or the main question I got from a couple people was, is there something that we can watch to kind of really gauge the strength of everything? And I'd say just simply keep your eye on this gray line there, which is the 20-day simple moving average. You can see that since essentially back here in late July, the price, no, excuse me, back here in early July, that was the last time the price was below this, and every single time after that, if the price has gotten close to it, it's acted as support. So right there, support, right here, support, right here, support, and then it hasn't tested it since then. But I would keep your eye on this, and for those looking to accumulate, this seems to be the key little area since early July, where every time the price has gotten close to it, the bulls have come in and provided support. Now, even if this does fail, by no means is that the end of the world, because we still do have its bigger brother right here, the 50-day simple moving average, sloping upwards. But for the people that are concerned about this current trend, the 20-day would be the key level to watch. But in the grand scheme of things, once again, pulling this back and seeing the overall chart, really the key level that we want to see the price hold above would be this 50-day simple moving average right there. In terms of resistance levels, not really too much to talk about. It's essentially in a blue sky breakout. You could technically call today's high of 0.0129 resistance, but even with that, just make sure it's a little skinny resistance line if you draw it there, just to represent there not really being too much resistance, if any at all. So overall, great looking chart. Keep your eye on the 20-day simple moving average, but at the end of the day, what really matters is, how does the price react if it even comes down here. I mean, that'd be a long drop. So if the price even does come down there, that's the ultimate level that you want to see it hold. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was EXTO. Thanks for listening, and enjoy the 3-day weekend.